Alright, so we have the motor in. What we did right now is we removed the doors just so we have more room working inside here. And we're going to try moving all the fuse box wires and the main ECU looms, everything to the back in the trunk. That way the front is clean and clear and we don't have any wirings in front. We're going to try rerouting it through the passenger or the driver's side. I'm going to see how I'm going to do that. But yeah, that's what we're working on right now. Alright, so what we're doing right now is we are labeling the wirings, each single one of them, and we will be cutting the harness from the front and then send it back through the firewall and somehow go under the carpet all the way through the back seat to the trunk. That way we have no wires at all in the front. The battery is already at the back and we're going to do the same thing, route the cables under the carpet. But for now we're just labeling every single wire here. So we labeled all the wires here and we categorized every loom in case we mess up on any of the wires. We have a checkpoint to go back to, and that applies to everything here. For example, the ABS, we labeled it as ABS and then numbered every wire. And yeah, that's pretty much the idea. We're going to chop it off now, move everything to the back in the trunk, and start soldering and extending the cables. Alright, so we got this side done as well. Now all that's left is I will have to drill through the firewall on that side, feed all the wires through, just like we have it here, going to the side by the seats to the trunk. We're going to do the same thing on the other side here. I finished up extending the wires. I'm just going to drill the firewall, make a hole for it, feed the wires through, and then you know, feed it through the same way by the seats and then to the rear of the trunk. Now the trunk eventually, as you can see here, it's pretty dark, but it's filled with wires and computers. I'm going to arrange all that once I finalize everything. For now, I'm just going to make sure I, you know, look behind the firewall, make sure there's no computers or blowers or anything, so I don't drill through it, and that way we can just feed everything through without, you know, damages or anything. But yeah, I'm going to look into that and I will be back.